Cheese. Just say cheese. Okay, go help Mom make a bed. Go on. Go. I'll let you see in a minute. Go make up Nona's bed. Go make Nona's bed up. Go. Come on.
No Nona pictures without makeup again.
Just wait. You just stand there and let me video. You can watch them when you get home. They'll be your Nona and Lennon videos.
Honey, get in there. There.
Yep. Oh, all my favorite men together. 1, 2, 3, cheese.
Stay still.
What camera are we looking at? I looked at the middle one. What's that? You kiss on my cheek?
Oh.
What do you say? Say I love you, Boom Boom.
Lennon,
Hold on.
Night.
Lennon, hurry up and get
I
it.
want to get a picture with him.
Christine, if they don't get graduated...
What time is it? What time is it?
They're already 5 minutes late.
Sorry,
it's 6 o'clock right now.
Okay, I got a few minutes of that.
Us. Okay, let's go. All right, see y'all up there.
Hey, find us afterwards.
Okay.
Don't turn it in till you find us.
Dad said come back here.
Yeah.
Don't turn your cap and gown in.
They have to turn them in right after, don't you?
Yeah, but what we can do is run out on the field.
Well,
with
okay,
him.
you can find them. All right. And we gotta leave about 15 minutes after them.
All right, girls, I want pictures of y'all together. Mom, bring me the camera. I want a picture of these two together.
All right. Well, hurry up, because if we don't go...
Here.
Christine, I'm already nervous wreck. Let's
I can't
go.
help it.
Wow, madhouse.
Look, there's Jason and June. Come on, come here. Lennon, you and Bailey. Come here, Lennon, get up there with Bailey. Dance for me. Dance. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Don't fall in the grass. Don't fall.
Uncle John, I think I like cheese.
Hey,
He's getting hot.
we can go back in.
Say, hey, Mama.
Hey, girls, not towards the road. Whoa!
Lennon, get your butt back over here.
Come here, Lennon.
Oh, she's going out to see.
I'm gonna hate my voice on this thing.
Where's Pat? She not gone?
She may not. It could. I don't know. Hey, Bachi.
Hey, where were you?
When?
Where's Pat?
When?
I came by to see you, but you weren't here.
I went to take Mama back to work. You must have missed me.
Yeah, there was hot dogs on the table and a little dish, and then
We
there
took
was some kind of
Mama.
Huh?
We took Mama. Let me do John's truck for Michael.
Grandma, you've lost some weight.
Yeah. No, I didn't lose weight. I lost inches.
I was gonna say your belly looks
Yeah,
good.
I'm exercising. And you got your hair cut.
Yeah, there it is.
There he is.
Boom, 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 boom.
Boom, 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 boom. This is it. Boom, 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 boom.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
I've got him good, Mama.
Yep.
I think he heard us.
I think he was.
Can't see his head because that guy in front of him. There he is. Look at him. I got him good in there. Look, Mama. Hey, move your big melon. He'll be on the other side probably.
That's my dog.
Lennon, stop pushing her. You're not going to the beach.
Should I lay him down?
He'll probably go down.
Hold this now.
Be careful. Oh, no, 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 no.
Did y'all see Daryl yet?
Brandon Morgan Peterson. Brian Stanley.
Here he comes. Here he comes.
Ready? Y'all, everybody yell.
Jeremy Christopher Hale. Levanta Cornell Campbell.
That guy's name is Omar Sharif Cannon. Isn't that weird?
Boom, boom. Veronica Jackson. Jack Cassidy.
Mama, he's sucking air.
Thomas E. Partner.
Tom, yeah.
Candida Red.
Pushing it back on that man.
Christopher Daniel Marvel. Clarence Henderson III. April Nicole Smith. Amity Danielle Ryder. Deanna Marie Ryder. Timothy Darrell Ryder. Bridget Michelle Rowland.
Hey, see?
Batista Billy-Ann Ruffin.
That guy ever selling that picture?
Where's she at?
Stacy Lynn Russell.
I'd like to present the 1998 senior class of Baldwin County High
This is mine. Oh, Jeremy's camera, really.
Thank you. You helped me get my house too, so I mean that was a great present too.
Well, I had to go to talking to him. He said, "Oh no, I'm not giving
know, I
them the
figured
boys."
you
I said,
did.
"Oh no," I said, "Bill, if they mess up the hospital."
Yeah, we're gonna make sure.
Ban it for him.
Paying the money, huh?
Where's Daryl?
I don't know where he went. He probably wouldn't eat or smoke.
Hey, Daryl.
Something like that.
Daryl. Daryl. Spend your money.
Lennon,
Back in the toy room now.
back to the toilet.
Back in the day.
Tell them they're not going to the beach. They'll shut up.
Plus, they're both getting an extra
Oh,
machine.
checks don't count. Throw the checks out.
Oh,
Oh, checks, yeah, checks count.
Checks don't count.
Yes, they do. They
Jeremy
money.
has some checks, but he opened the bank account, checking account.
Okay, now, yeah, do it like Jeremy, Daryl.
Got it. His is all bent up.
It's been in a wallet.
Hey, this is the most money I've ever had at one time. Ever. Oh, yeah. Good day.
1, 2. Wait a minute. Turn back around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Starting
8.
life.
Okay, wait a minute. Now let me get a regular picture.
Starting a new life.
A regular picture.
Okay. God, Jeremy, as much as you deposited today. Everybody give you money too, Daryl?
Got more than I thought. Almost got 600.
Wave to me, Bailey. Hey, Lennon, wave to me. Lennon. Bessie, come out of the water. Chin up, Bailey. Hey, because so much is riding on your tires. You know that fat kid in that tire? Hey, babe. No, you stay there and play. Okay, well, it's okay. Get her chair then. Put sand all in her chair. Lennon, do you want to go inside? Hey, then you go get the sand out of her chair. There's our room, right? There. No one's out. Girls say, Bailey say, hey, Daddy. Say, I miss you, Daddy. Turn around here and look and give him blow him a kiss. Blow him a kiss. Yeah. Lennon say, I miss my daddy. There's the beach and the airplane. Come on, y'all. You want to go get in the water a little bit? Let's go put your feet in the water a minute.
We don't need that.
Not right now, Lennon. We don't need that till I can go out there with you, baby. Come on, go with Normie.
Come on, baby.
No, not right now. Not right yet. Put it back. Come on. Go out to the beach and let Mommy video you a little bit on the beach. Turn around, say cheese. I need to help you. Okay, wave bye, wave bye. Wave. Say hi, daddies.
Hi, daddies.
Say, look at how we're sand all over us.
Love you, daddies.
Y'all slide more in the shade. Slide in the shade. There you go. Play right there in the shade. Y'all build a castle or something. Alright, Lennon, you ready to go to bed?
No.
Get the other bucket, Bailey, and you fill it up and make your daddy a birthday cake.
I make my daddy a
Lennon, look at me. Say hi, Michael.
Hi, Michael.
See, what do you want to tell Michael? Tell Michael something.
Michael, I don't like my bugs.
You don't like mud bugs. Say, but I love you, Michael.
I like my daddy.
Yeah, Bailey, say hey to your mama and papa back home.
Hey.
Say hey to Olivia and Carter. Okay, Lennon, you say hey to your Nanny and Gramps.
Hey, Nanny and Gramps.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Tell them, say Mama's got diarrhea. Say Mama's pooping and throwing up.
Gramps, I'm making your birthday cake.
Oh, Lennon's making you a birthday cake.
Big.
Okay.
You say that like this table.
Birthday. There's Bubchi. Okay. All right, say bye again.
Bye.
Bailey. Hey, look at Mom. Look at Mom. Look at Mom. Look at Moms. Say hi, Moms. Say hi. Talk pretty. Talk pretty for Mom. Talk pretty. There you go. Talk pretty. Say we're at Nona's. Say we're at Nona's houses. See? Nona house. Look at me. Say cheese.
Hey, Mom.
No, you're not gonna see. Say, hey, Daddy, love you.
Hey, Daddy.
Okay.
Hey, Daddy, I love you.
Come on.
No, my daddy. No, my daddy.
Hey, hey.
You're a big one, isn't it?
Bailey. Come on, let's go in here to the bar and video it for Daddy. Give me your hand.
Hey,
You want to go in the store with me? Nico, sit down.
Yeah. No, 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 no. You can't go in there.
Are you winning?
Now.
Say hi to Michael.
Hey, Michael. How you doing? We love you.
Stay right there, babe. Yeah. Come on. Let's go in the store. Oh. Bailey, just wait a minute. Just one piece. Okay, just one piece. Okay, come on. Okay.
Get one to the bar. Come on, let's go out.
Hey,
Hey, Pop.
what are you doing?
We're going swimming.
Okay, all right. That's good.
Now look at me.
Say hey to Michael,
Hey,
Papa.
Hey, Pawpaw.
No, Michael.
Hey, Michael.
Okay.
I thought we was talking to somebody, Pawpaw.
Why don't you go get your... Are y'all selling beer out here or just in the bar? I'll go ready to Okay.
Get your beer. I know you
Oh, I'm gonna go back.
Hey, Daddy.
don't get drunk. Hey,
Where's
Mr.
Robbie?
President.
Has he come down today?
No, he's supposed to come down and drop the key off the cherry master, but they hauled it off again.
Did he
But,
did he have a good night last night?
well, it's reasonable. Yeah, reasonable. I was satisfied.
You know what? You're about to get your butt tore up.
Bailey, hold my hand, honey. There's too many cars.
I haven't heard.
Oh, they are good. I'm gonna get out there.
Kayla needs to hire them for the bowfin, Daddy.
Hey, were you drunk when you made that part in her hair?
She was having a fit.
No, she was on crack.
If that's not the worst thing. Then, so we started loading a little bit of stuff up, trying to wait on Brandon. Jeremy called him back at 11:15 when we about had all the stuff left. He was back in bed. He got here at 5 minutes to 1.
Is he here?
Yes. Hey, girls. Say hey, Uncle Michael.
She has no fear.
Or nothing. Where's those eggs at, Aunt Bessie? Get them out here in the pool. They gotta have some kind of pool toy. That water don't look as bad as it usually does.
It doesn't. I am too with this camera.
Well, throw it away. Throw it in the grass. Sling
Yeah,
it.
so everybody can step on it.
There, that's fine. Is it cold, Landon?
I don't care. When you get out and you step on a ticker,
Kicker, yep.
you need to get your new shoes off too. Well, sit down and take them off.
Well, did y'all tell them boys to come up here and cool off, or
It's just Les down there.
what's the rest of them?
Gone to find some kind of equipment or something. Brandon crawled back into bed after you called.
Scar's
11:15.
here.
Yeah, he just got here, and then they had to go back to town. Yeah, they had to go back to town. Hey, fat man,
Hey,
you want that pool?
Kendall, why don't you walk over there and get you a beer? I brought these out in case.
Are they in the freezer? Were those in the freezer? There's some in the freezer.
freezer.
Okay. You want one? I want one too. Kabam!
She put the drinks in there.
Drinks in the pool.
So they're sealed.
Maybe not that tight.
You don't think they're gonna drink some of that water while they're swimming?
Sure, after they
Mommy's gonna have to
pee.
do it.
You want me
Bessie,
to
open
it
them.
for you?
Stay in the pool. You're gonna get on the ticker.
Here. There you go.
Dance. Stand over there and dance. Dance. Hey,
And I hope I win.
dance for Mom. Do shoulders. Shake your booty. Say hey, Dad. Get on your butt.
First time they played, they just didn't know more, so they shut it down. Oh.